Luxurious dreams, budget means no problem. Have you ever dreamt of a lavish vacation, picturing yourself lounging on pristine beaches or exploring exotic cities? But then reality sets in, reminding you of your limited budget. Don't despair. You can still experience the world in style without emptying your bank account. With savvy planning and a touch of creativity, you can unlock the secrets to a 5-star holiday on a 2-star budget. It's time to ditch the misconception that luxurious travel is only for the wealthy. Budget travel is not about sacrificing comfort or experiences. It's about being resourceful, making smart choices, and prioritizing what truly matters to you. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure that won't break the bank. Before diving into the practical tips, it's essential to adopt the right mindset. Budget travel is not about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about breaking free from the shackles of expensive tours and overpriced tourist traps. Embrace the thrill of discovering hidden gems, connecting with locals, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, the most valuable souvenirs are the stories you collect and the connections you make along the way. By shifting your perspective and embracing the spirit of adventure, you'll unlock a world of possibilities. Flights often consume a significant portion of travel expenses, but fear not. With a little flexibility and research, you can find incredible deals that won't leave you grounded. Start by being flexible with your travel dates. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season can save you a bundle. Consider flying to alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport near your destination can be significantly cheaper. Utilize flight comparison websites and set up fare alerts to track price fluctuations. Don't forget to clear your browser cookies, as airlines sometimes inflate prices for repeat visitors. Sign up for airline newsletters and follow them on social media for exclusive deals and promotions. With a bit of patience and persistence, you'll be jet-setting across the globe without breaking the bank. Section 4. Accommodations, your home away from home without the hefty price tag. Finding affordable accommodations is key to stretching your budget. Consider ditching expensive hotels for cozier and more budget-friendly options. Hostels are a fantastic way to meet fellow travelers and save money. Don't let the word hostel intimidate you. Many hostels offer private rooms with en-suite bathrooms, providing both comfort and affordability. Explore alternative accommodation options like guest houses, bed and breakfasts, or apartment rentals. Websites like Airbnb offer a wide range of unique and affordable places to stay, often hosted by locals who can provide valuable insights and recommendations. Remember, your accommodation should be a base for your adventures, not a drain on your wallet. Section 5. Savoring local flavors, dining like royalty on a pauper's purse. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its cuisine. Indulge in local delicacies without overspending by embracing the art of budget-friendly dining. Seek out local markets and street food stalls. These hidden gems offer authentic flavors at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Take advantage of supermarket savings. Stock up on snacks, drinks, and simple breakfast items to avoid overspending on expensive restaurant meals. Consider packing a reusable water bowl and refilling it throughout the day. Not only will this save you money, but it's also environmentally friendly. Embrace the opportunity to savor the flavors of your destination without straining your budget. Section 6. Activities, unforgettable experiences without the exorbitant fees. You don't need to break the bank to create lasting memories. Many destinations offer a plethora of free or low-cost activities that are just as enriching as their expensive counterparts. Explore the city on foot. Walking tours are a fantastic way to discover hidden gems, admire the architecture, and soak up the local atmosphere. Take advantage of free attractions. Many museums offer free admission days or discounted rates during specific hours. Embrace the great outdoors. Hiking, swimming, or simply relaxing in a park are all fantastic ways to enjoy your surroundings without spending a dime. Remember, the most memorable experiences often come from simple pleasures and authentic encounters.